Okay, so I've got Snow on the mind for some reason. Probably because Chilly Reception is just such a cool move. But as always, ice types are like the worst, so we have some coverage. But let's basically just go into what this team is. We've got Slowking, almost always going to be our lead. We don't want a Chilly Reception, sets up Snow. Snow boosts the defense of all ice type Pokemon, and also makes it so moves like Blizzard can't miss. I think a Frostmoth may be better than a Weavile, but I kind of like Weavile just because it's a shiny. We'll definitely consider that if you're gonna remake the team for yourself. Um, Baxcalibur, Pseudo Legend, hits super hard. Pretty much every time we bring it, it's gonna knock something out. If not, just sweep the whole team. Titan, we have a defensive build on it, so it's got pretty bulky special, pretty bulky physical defense, and we're working on the sheer force ability, which is going to remove the secondary effects of any attack, and instead just add 30 extra damage. Fantastic. Surprised Ice Skull Crash, despite the fact that it has a secondary effect, does not work with sheer force. Don't know why, just doesn't work with sheer force. Life Orb, great combination with sheer force. You remove the secondary effect of Life Orb for some reason, don't ask me why, which is to lose life whenever you use an attack. Instead, you just get the straight damage boost. And it's one of the best damage boosting items in the game, so just throw it on there and do more damage. Belly Drum's the Titan. Never really got to use Belly Drum. I don't think it's great on Titan. It was cute, but just never really came up. It was always like, when am I going to set this up? And generally speaking, Belly Drum on slow Pokemon means you're going to just die. You're just going to die. Volcarona, all-star of the team, kind of the type coverage Pokemon for this. It's super special bulky, it's super special hard hitting, it's pretty darn fast, and it has healing moves like Giga Drain and Morning Sun. Terra Grass type makes Giga Drain hit even harder, heal even more, and you get all sorts of problematic Pokemon that would normally just destroy your ice types. Corviknight, Roost, Defog, U-Turn, Great Bird, Leftovers, Pressure. Need I say more? It's a Corviknight. If you've played Pokemon at all, you've seen Corviknight in the meta. It's physically hard-hitting, physically defensive. It's basically the physical version of Volcarona, minus the healing. That's like the only issue, is it doesn't heal itself. And yeah, I've just absolutely not picked Weavile in a single match yet. I thought I was going to pick it to be a good taunter. It's got pressure, which is not a great ability. Its other ability is to steal items, but then you have to have no item on itself. And that does nothing for us, because I want to have a focus sash on it so it survives. Not great. Again, I think maybe Frostmoth is the better per that slot. But otherwise, I love it. It's great. I'm gonna leave the rental code and some matches. Okay, so we got a Zoroark. As you know, I love Zoroark because it's almost always Zoroark. You almost always lead Zoroark. So we'll go there. In that case, I kind of want to go Volcarona Baxcalibur. That deals with the most problems on their side. They have a Gastrodon. Maybe I do actually. No. I think just. I don't know. I'm indecisive. I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, the duck is going away. Gardevoir is coming out. Trace Regenerator. It's fine. Got a lot of damage here. Gardevoir's gonna have Fairy, it's gonna have Psychic. It is. I believe it's gonna be more special bulky, so let's just bring out the Titan. Switching items, gonna take a Choice Scarf. I'll take a Choice Scarf. We won't hit as hard, but we'll definitely hit faster. So I'm thinking we go for the Stab Liquidation. It'd be really silly if we had Iron Head and they just gave us a Choice Scarf. Mystical Fire, not doing a lot of damage. That was a crit. Special attack fell. That's irrelevant. They lost some HP. Gardevoir going down. We are choiced now. I think our Toxicity. Liquidation is still gonna do the most damage here. Oof. Yeah, that overdrive. That overdrive does a lot of damage, so I may just want to send out Volcarona here. Attempt to finish it off with a Fiery Dance. And we can finish the duck off with a Giga Drain. Ooh, love that stat boost. That's a good stat boost. Yeah, the duck is gonna have a hard time here. The only thing I think about is nothing. Absolutely nothing. I wasn't even gonna say anything. That was a clean sweep. I'm thinking instead of trying to outweather them, if this actually is the Titan, we might be in trouble. But I have doubts. Yeah, this is 110% Zoroark. Goodbye, Zoroark. And the balloon popped. Why a balloon? Just to immunize ground if it comes in as something. Okay, let's go Liquidation. Okay, we're gonna set up a Stealth Rock and a Poison Rock. So switching in is gonna be a bitch. Oh wow, that only did half. It knows Recover, which it might do. I'm wondering if I should have gone for Belly Drum. Let's see how much damage this sludge. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't go for Belly Drum. So Titan is 0 for 2, or 2-0. 0 for 2, 2-0. How am I supposed to say that? I don't know. This might just be the Titan sweep. Sadly, we lost our Life Orb, but I don't think it matters in terms of actual scale. Okay, this is where it being ground. The question is it faster than the Titan? The answer is no. Okay. So it's ground and it's water. I think I chose, did I choose bird? I did. I chose, Volcarona. Volcarona, fast, special attacker, grass type, Giga Drain. I don't really see a world where this doesn't Oko. Then again, Gastrodon is a tank. It is the Swampert we have at home, as they say. Okay, they're gonna Terrasilize. That's fine. Fire type? I'm assuming a fire type. Yeah, okay. I think between our remaining 2 Pokemon, we just win this. Breath Power. Not very effective. So the question is, I think I go for a Quiver Dance here. We can bulk up, basically. Ooh. I'm gonna say right now, I did not expect an Ice Beam. That didn't do a whole lot. Maybe I just go for a second Quiver Dance, Morning Sun, and then just start, you know, Giga Draining it to death. Even if it's not advantageous. Or we can even just go for Fiery Dance. Ice Beam. Honestly, if you were Terra Ice, you probably would be doing more damage here. But yeah, let's just start Fiery Dancing. The battle was cancelled. Okay. That was good. That was beautiful. Okay. Okay, I think for this, the biggest issue is going to be the King Gambit, which is almost 100% going to be their anchor. I'm going to lead on A. And maybe we just go like Titan, Baxcalibur as just big bulky hitters that are going to be able to take a hit and then dish it back twice as hard. We have the Dragon Ghost type. I think we just go Chilly Reception here. I think we can get away with it. We'll switch into Titan, which is going to have, okay, Thunder Wave's a little annoying. Okay. So we got 8 turns of snow. Go for Titan. Titan's gonna have a couple different routes to kill this thing. I would go for Belly Drum if I wasn't 100% certain we would just die. Usually I see a lot of people make this a fire type Terra, since it knows flamethrower, and that's just a really good defensive typing. Okay, we're just gonna go for withdrawal. There's nothing immune to ice, so whatever's coming out's gonna get hit. Okay. If you're not immune, you can at least resist. We go liquidation here. Sing. Oh, I can't believe that. I cannot believe that actually hit. That's annoying. I may want to change my Titan over to being a water Terra. Gonna use Torch Song. Yeah, that's gonna happen. Damn. Okay, let's get back Excalibur in. We're two down with no. Now I think we can just glide rush our way through this. They're gonna swap out. The question is, what are they gonna swap out for? And will it be immune to a dragon type attack? Oh, no, they're just gonna Terra. Okay. Terra normal. That doesn't change math. This is still the exact same math as before. Whoa! How did that not KO? I'm confused. I honestly don't know how that didn't KO. I think we just go for Psychic here. If we get full paralysis, and there's nothing we can do about it. So, is that the Dragon Bolt? Yep, that's the Dragon Bolt. Okay. That's some decent damage. Leftovers? Dragon Bolt leftovers, okay. X. Yeah, that happens. Super effective. I would have liked a crit, considering have we terra'd yet? No, we have not. Okay. If they go for Hex again, I'm gonna feel like such a badass. And if they go for Dragon Darts, I'm going to feel like an idiot. Hey, I'm a badass. Look at my giant diamond. Okay, Dragon Pole off the table. I think we're faster than Skeledirge. We no longer resist Torch Song, but we immune to Shadow Ball. I'm just gonna go for Psychic again. Depending on what they throw out next, Damn. On one hand, we survived! We survived! Oh, Slowking. You know, we might lose this fight. We might lose this fight. But you, sir, put in the time. Okay. The last thing, King Gambit, I assume. Oh, it's fish. Okay. We can't do shit. Wait, is this an attacking move? No, this is just a speed boosting move. Okay, you're already faster than both of my Pokemon. I hope you know that. Speed Rope Sharp. Yeah, okay. That's fine. I have to remember to put that on my, Oh! Okay. This attack grows sharply. Okay, it's 4 times attack now. I wish Baxcalibur were still here. We'd have our priority move. Gonna use recover. Can't cut move because you're paralyzed. Damn. Store power. Oh, store power. That's a. Okay. Yeah. I don't think we can beat this. Yeah. Like, we would have to survive somehow, wake up, and land a play rough, and have it do high roll or crit damage. Yeah, I didn't think so. That sing put us in the wheelhouse, let me tell you. Like the background music.
Well, it's the only music I've already listened to today. So yeah.
I think I have anything that can out. Again, Umbreon's not necessarily a fast Pokemon.
Umbreon's not necessarily fast. If anything, most things there are more slow.
I go like that.
I'd say the Palafin is the most. It's the speediest thing.
Yeah.
Next to the Dragonite.
Dragonite's priority, so I'm not worried about speed on that so much as
That
Pelipper?
I'm gonna say right now, the Pelipper or the Dragonite's gonna have Hurricane.
Yeah. The Pelipper should have Hurricane.
Because Pelipper's gonna Pelipper's gonna come in, it's gonna set up Drizzle. Yeah. It's just gonna come in and try and fuck shit up.
Palafin, shocking absolutely no one.
No, because they're gonna switch immediately.
Yep.
I presume into Pelipper.
Yeah, flip turn.
Yep.
That's fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna bet it's gonna be, wow, Pelipper. Pelipper?
Clodsire.
Oh, Clodsire.
How fascinating.
It's like it's very chillingly bad joke. Amazing. Sugoi.
There's quite a lot I have against this. I'm gonna go for Weavile here.
Sounds like a plan. Also, another BRB moment. I need to go to the toilet again. God damn it! BRB.
You fool! I feel like it's gonna want an Earthquake. If I missed an opportunity to taunt something, then I apologize. That's a good amount of damage. Darn. I knew it. Someone told me I would have got the free taunt there, but... I don't think this has a priority move. Yeah, I think I guarantee more damage with Ice Spinner. Okay. Drizzle's gonna take away my snow. That sucks. Ice Spinner, on the other hand, it's not gonna do that much damage. Holy cow. I do like getting it off the battlefield though. So now we know we've got Pelifin, we've got... Weavile doesn't do much here. Ghost Terra doesn't do much of anything. I could switch in here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna switch in here. Slow King. Under the impression that it's going to go for Wave Crash or Jet Punch. If it goes for Jet Punch, it might be choiced. Ooh, we're Terra Water? Are we going full water? We are going full water. Okay. Flip turn. Isn't that the swap out move? Oh, it's Life Orb. Okay, it's Life Orb. We might be able to abuse that a bit. If they go for Pelipper, I slack off. If they go for Clodsire, I would have gone for Psychic. Because even if we hit something else with Psychic, that's fine. Or maybe I should go for slack off either way. I feel like they just swap back out again. Curious to know what they're thinking. Neutral. Oh god, it's super effective. Okay. We're gonna get a free slack off, which is all I care about. Sent out Clodsire again. Probably gonna try to go for a Toxic on us. I feel like we should be slightly faster. Let's find out. Crazy that Surf is also super effective here. Oh, okay. Pelipper again. Pelipper takes big damage. I think we just keep beating in with the Psychic. Rain stopped. We're just doing we're doing this dance, aren't we? Look, eventually I'm going to crit, and when I crit, you just die. It's healing ever so slightly more than I'm doing damage. But I know damn well they'll run out of roosts before we run out of psychics. Does Slowking just wall here? Any one crit any one crit, and we get this off the battlefield. They damn well can't go into Clodsire here. The crazy thing is they don't even know what my third Pokemon is. I hate that. I distinctly hate that. Paldefen is definitely an issue, but I don't know if it can just KO Slowking from here. It's got to have either a dark or grass, electric, some kind of super effective move. I don't think just a wave crash is enough. It might be enough. It might be. Slowking's got some bulk on it, but I don't know if it's got physical bulk. Okay, flip turning. I think opponent is just obsessed with swap moving here. Yeah. It's like... I think do I still have my Weavile? I do. At this point, I think the priority Ice Shard might kill it from there. Okay, we're setting up Drizzle again. So. Bird goes down. I think it's setting up Drizzle so that it can use Aqua Jet or Aqua Punch or Wave Crash or something to Oko us. Do I fake them out and go for Titan here? Just to get the Regenerator? Yeah, just to get the Regenerator, I think. Unfortunately, Ice does not resist water, but Titan is bulk as fuck. So we may be able to take a hit or two. Or not. Or not. But I do get the clean... Oh, and the recoil damage! Okay. No, that was a great swap. That was a great swap because now Slowking comes back out. All they've got is the Clodsire, which is slower and weak on every possible front. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you play yourself. You take too many game actions that do absolutely nothing, but just screw yourself over. Oh, choking and dying. Glad I recorded that match. When you try to think too much, when you just try too hard to think, and your brain explodes. And you fail because you didn't think it through.
I'm back. What a mess.
Oh, the fucking greatest. I've noticed everyone's bringing Masquerada on their team. No one is picking Masquerada to lead. Probably because I have all ice types.
I think it's just I think Masquerada is a just-in-case grass type. I feel like that's what they're doing. Maybe the meta doesn't favor Masquerada anymore. I don't know.
Masquerada was never favored in the meta.
When you told me at one time you had a problem with like too many grass types.
No. I said I needed a grass type. There aren't enough grass types. Like my grass type is Volcarona right now. Surprisingly, even without Chilly Reception, Slowking is still pretty good. It's still got a decent amount of bulk and it's still a high special attacker.
Oh, you don't have a perfect Slowking.
A what?
Your Slowking is lacking.
Slowking.
Ooh, chilly.
Monkey. Oh, do I predict? Can I just say, Slowking is giant?
Well, he's a king.
Okay.
It is a big Pokemon, but Gen 1 and 2 Pokemons have a tendency of having really weird sizes.
Huh. Thief. Gonna steal my life orb. and it went into effect. Okay, I don't know what they were doing with that Annihilate. Usually Annihilate is the sweeper that you set up and, you know, Rage Fist your way through the enemy team. Okay.
You just realized your opponent's name is LSD. I think it's proof that Japanese people can just have whatever names they want.
What? What was LSD?
It's the name of your opponent.
Oh. Oh no. Chilling water. Oh no, my attack. My precious attack. Whatever will I do?
What? Wait, what is it trying to do?
It's gonna toxic stall me.
Yeah, but you can kill it before it stalls, right?
I mean, I can try. Okay, it's gonna go for protect.
Ah, it has protect. Okay.
That's yes. Have you never seen a toxic stall before?
No, I'm not that. You know, I'm a bit of a Pokemon noob. You know yourself.
This is like Gen 1 strats, man.
My mommy didn't let me play Pokemon when I was a kid, so I'm a late Pokemon bloomer.
Oh, my opponent has realized I've caught on to their strategy. Yeah, so they're just gonna recover, protect, recover, protect, recover, protect. Please tell me that wasn't a crit, because I'm going to cry.
No, crit. When it's crit, it writes it in yellow. I don't think I saw yellow.
Usually there's a sound effect cue.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave you for a second, Football. I'll be back. I just need to get on a call.
Okay.
Have fun with the stall.
I will.
See you.
Wish I had more I can do here. Just gonna go back and forth between using Psychic and... I hate that that's a full heal. I need to crit it, knock it out in a single go. And fucking Toxic is building up too much. I might have to take a... Did you just recover on that turn? I'm gonna swap into Pokemon here. Frustrating. They're probably gonna use Protect, so let's Quiver Dance on this one. have to figure out when they're going to use Protect. Okay, they just use Protect. I think next turn we can hit him with the... double stab Giga Drain. I think that's how we gotta do this. Opponent is contemplating. Withdraw. Okay. Definitely faster than it. So I think barring any terrestrialization, yeah. So Masquerada just goes down. That's easy. Much. Okay, we're taking a lot of poison damage. This thing back out. We're going to... Yeah, I think we swap in on this. Trying to keep any one particular Pokemon from poisoning itself too much. Okay, it's fine. Don't think... Can it protect this turn? Nope. Damn. I really need a crit. Let's go for a slack off. Eventually I'm gonna run this thing down. He used recover on that turn, right? Oh! We got a concession! We outstalled the staller. Alright, that's great. Okay, just a real quick post-match wrap-up. Wow, first of all. Can I just say wow? I have... Oh, I've never had such wild games. Usually I play like full-on blitz teams that's just like super effective attackers. Having a little bit of setup and a little bit of finagling felt really fun and really challenging. Really, really, really makes your brain want to explode. Slowking, absolutely all-star Pokemon. Just taking a Gen 2 Pokemon and upgrading it is just amazing. I love it. Chilly Reception, great ability, great attack, I guess. But you know, a Psychic Water type that's just really specially strong, fantastic. Weavile almost certainly going to be changed for a Frostmoth or any other ice type that would be better. Maybe a Beartic? Slush Rush is definitely an ability that's relevant sometimes. It's a good ability. What can I say? All the versions of the Rush ability is really good. But yeah, All-Star, Volcarona, absolutely carrying the team. just the bug with 1,000 pounds on its back. Quiver Dance, never not good. And a lot of times we didn't even use Quiver Dance. We ended up just using Fiery Dance and just building up through Fiery Dance damage. And yeah, that was totally worth it. Baxcalibur wasn't super impressed by. When it was strong, and when it was doing nothing, it just kind of felt like a lead weight. Titan did fantastic. Corviknight didn't get. I don't even know if I'm keeping the battles I used Corviknight in the video, but I will just say Corviknight was okay. It was fine. It's a Corviknight. It's always just gonna be fine. If anyone actually watches this, just don't bother doing anything. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just posting these for posterity. This is for my own reviewing later. If you happen to enjoy it, great, fantastic. Have a wonderful day. Always pay your Slowkings.